Welcome back to Zen Supplies. Let's take a look at the dashboard and some of the elements of the dashboard. So in order to get to the home page or the dashboard, you're always going to select this button Zen on the top left corner. Now let's take a look. This sign here is going to be the logo of the practice. So in order to update the logo of the practice, you would want to go into the settings, select the practice info, and select edit to upload the logo. It's super straightforward. It makes your office looks a little bit more custom. The next is the name of the practice. And if we select the name of the practice, it will act as a button to change the locations. So for example, in case your practice has multiple locations, that's the place where you're going to select and go from location to location. Now the numbers here mean that we have, in this example, 7 orders for approval and then 0 requested products to approve, or in this case 1, and so far and so on. This is where we click on add location, and that will allow us to create a new location. This is where the global search, and we can search anything we want, and it will tell us, for example, if we're searching for gloves, the global search will tell us if that product is in any active POs currently being processed by distributors, if it's in any history POs, in the sterilization, basically what room it's being used at, and then the catalog access to the gloves. So we're going to cancel that for a second and return to the dashboard, where here you see the help button, the shopping cart that brings us to approval of the quick orders, and then you see the settings, which we spend a lot of time in, and you see the icon profile for changing the account profile settings and logging out. Now these tiles, or we call them quick access tiles, are very customizable. So for example, instead of create an order, if I would like to go in and change it to orders for approval, that would be very easy. So instead of set up the budget, I can go ahead and select left this month. I kind of like running low and I would like to keep it. So active orders here will show us some of the active orders that are currently being processed, and if I would select the button more, it will show me even more. All news is our sort of news feed for the practice to show you what orders have been approved, what orders have been sent, was fully reconciled, and things like that, and who was in charge of that and what date that was. And then on the left side, we have a functionality which I mentioned already, the Zen button. Then we have the products, we have create an order, orders, reports, free goods, invoices, and settings. So that's technically the dashboard. And at the bottom, you also have the chat, which is always available for everybody, and you can chat us your questions. I hope this helps.